You've heard of crypto, right? You know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, that whole digital money thing. And you probably know Coinbase, the popular platform to buy, sell, and store your crypto. But did you know you can actually get a physical card linked to your Coinbase account? A card that lets you spend your crypto like regular cash. Yep, you heard that right. A Coinbase card. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I need a crypto card when I have my regular debit card? Well, let's break it down. Imagine having a card that lets you spend your crypto earnings without having to convert them to fiat currency first. Or how about earning crypto rewards on your everyday spending? Sounds pretty cool, right? That's where the Coinbase card comes in. So, how do you get your hands on one of these magical cards? That's what we're going to dive into today. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for a Coinbase card, from setting up your account to meeting the eligibility requirements. We'll also cover some important details like fees, limits, and security. But before we jump in, let's talk about why you might want a Coinbase card. Is it right for everyone? Well, that depends on your financial goals and lifestyle. If you're a crypto enthusiast who wants to seamlessly integrate digital currency into your daily life, then a Coinbase card could be a great option. All right, let's get down to business. The first thing you'll need is a Coinbase account. If you don't have one already, head over to coinbase.com and sign up. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once you've created your account and verified your identity, you'll want to make sure you've met the eligibility requirements for the Coinbase card. This includes being a verified Coinbase user, meeting certain residency requirements, and having a good account standing. Once you've checked those boxes, you're ready to apply. The application process itself is relatively simple. You'll be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You may also need to verify your income and employment. After you've submitted your application, you'll need to wait for Coinbase to review it. The approval process can take a few days, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you'll be able to order your card. Now, let's talk about what you can expect from your Coinbase card. One of the biggest perks is the ability to earn crypto rewards on your spending. Coinbase offers cashback rewards on eligible purchases, which is a pretty sweet deal. Plus, you can use your card to make purchases online and in-store, just like any other debit card. However, it's important to note that there are some fees associated with the Coinbase card. These fees can vary depending on your location and the type of transaction you're making. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the fee structure before you start using your card. Security is another crucial aspect to consider. Coinbase takes security seriously, but it's always important to protect your personal information and monitor your account activity for any suspicious signs. So, there you have it. A basic overview of how to get a Coinbase card. Remember, this information is general in nature, and it's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any major financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.